Have you ever wondered how to earn money while you sleep? Yes, it's possible. Welcome to our video on passive income strategies. Imagine a revenue stream that trickles into your account, irrespective of your active involvement. This is the magic of passive income. It's not a fantasy, but a reality for many, and it could be for you too. Passive income is that extra cushion that gives you the freedom to explore, innovate, or even take that much-needed break. And the best part, there are countless strategies to achieve it. From real estate investment to affiliate marketing, the opportunities are as diverse as they are lucrative. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, this video is your guide to the world of passive income. We'll be discussing various strategies that can help you generate a steady flow of income with minimal active involvement. Stay tuned as we delve into various strategies to generate passive income. Investing in real estate is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. Now you might be wondering, what does this entail? Well, it's more than just buying a house or an apartment. Real estate investment is about strategically purchasing properties with the intention of earning income, either through rental yield or appreciation in property value over time. Let's break it down a bit. Suppose you buy a property and decide to rent it out. The rent you collect is a form of passive income. You're making money essentially from being the owner, and that's a pretty sweet deal. This is what we call a rental income strategy. But there's another way to earn from real estate. You might have heard the saying, buy low, sell high. This applies to properties as well. If you can buy a property in an area where values are expected to rise, you could sell it later for a profit. This strategy, known as property value appreciation, can yield significant returns, but it does require a keen understanding of the real estate market. Speaking of understanding the market, this is where research comes in. You need to know about the location of your potential property, the condition of the property market, and the forecasted trends. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Are property values in the area expected to rise? What's the rental demand like? These are just a few of the questions you should be asking before making a real estate investment. Now, it's important to note that while real estate can be a lucrative investment, it's not without its challenges. Property maintenance, tenant issues, and market fluctuations are all part and parcel of the real estate game. It's not always a walk in the park, but with due diligence and a strategic approach, the rewards can be substantial. Remember, investing in real estate requires some initial effort, but the returns can be worth it. It's about making your money work for you, and with the right strategies, you could see your wealth grow in the long run. So, why not consider real estate as part of your passive income strategy? The stock market is another excellent avenue for creating passive income. Dive with me into the vast world of stock market investment. This realm, teeming with opportunities for both dividends and long-term capital growth, is a powerhouse for generating passive income. But what does it all mean? Let's simplify. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a piece of that company and becoming a shareholder. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. This growth is what we call capital appreciation. Now, dividends. These are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. Companies with a track record of consistent dividends are often a favored choice for passive income seekers. Why? Because even if the stock price doesn't move much, you're still earning money. But here's the catch. Investing in just one or two companies can be risky, like putting all your eggs in one basket. This is where diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across a variety of stocks, sectors, and even countries, you reduce the risk of a single company's poor performance, significantly impacting your portfolio. Diversification is not just smart, it's essential. And patience, my friends, is a virtue in the stock market game. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. The stock market has its ups and downs, but historically, it trends upwards over the long term. But remember, while the potential for gains is enticing, the stock market is not a guaranteed moneymaker. It is unpredictable and can be influenced by a multitude of factors, from economic indicators to global events. So, as you venture into stock market investment, be prepared for volatility and ensure you're investing money that you can afford to lose. Keep in mind, the stock market is unpredictable, and while it can be a lucrative passive income source, it also carries risk. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have made it easier than ever to earn passive income. Let's delve into the mechanics of this innovative financial avenue. Essentially, peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending, is an online platform where individuals can lend and borrow money directly without the involvement of an institutional intermediary like a bank. It's a virtual marketplace that connects lenders and borrowers in a secure environment. Here's how it works. As an investor, you deposit a certain amount of money into your account on the P2P platform. You then have the option to lend this money to individuals or small businesses in need of a loan. The borrowers repay the loan over time with interest, which becomes your return on investment. The interest rates are often higher than what traditional banks offer, making P2P lending an attractive option for passive income. However, just like any other investment, P2P lending comes with its own set of risks. The primary risk being the possibility of borrower default. If a borrower fails to repay the loan, you may lose your investment. But fear not, there are ways to mitigate this risk. One effective strategy is diversification. Instead of lending all your money to one borrower, you spread it across multiple loans. This way, if one borrower defaults, your overall investment isn't severely impacted. You can diversify based on loan size, borrower's credit rating, or the purpose of the loan, among others. It's also crucial to understand the platform's default handling procedures. Some platforms offer a provision fund, which is a buffer against defaults. Others may have a collection agency to recover the defaulted loans. It's essential to do your due diligence before investing. Lastly, remember that P2P lending is a long-term investment strategy. The loans can range from a few months to several years, so patience is key. With careful selection and diversification, peer-to-peer lending can be a great source of passive income. It's a modern way to play the role of a banker by lending your money directly to those who need it and earning interest in return. So, consider dipping your toes into the world of P2P lending and let your money work for you. Affiliate marketing is a passive income strategy that can be started with little to no upfront cost. Now let's delve into the mechanics of this fascinating strategy. Imagine you are at a party and you happen to mention a book that you've recently read and enjoyed. Someone else at the party buys the book based on your recommendation. Now imagine if the bookstore paid you a commission for that sale. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You promote a product or service, and if someone buys it based on your recommendation, you earn a commission. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? The first step is to choose a product or service to promote. This could be something you personally use and love, or something that aligns with the interests of your audience. You then sign up for the affiliate program of the company that sells this product or service. Once you're an affiliate, you'll receive a unique link that tracks any sales made through it. Promoting your affiliate link is the next crucial step. This is where having a strong online presence comes into play. You could write blog posts reviewing the product, create videos showcasing its use, or simply share your link on social media. The key is to provide valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate link. And here comes the best part: earning a commission. Every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies from company to company, but it can range from a few percent to over 50% of the sale price. The more sales made through your link, the more money you make. It's important to remember that affiliate marketing requires effort and time, especially in the beginning. But once the momentum builds, it can become a significant source of passive income. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable passive income strategy, especially if you have a strong online presence or following. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it's the perfect passive income strategy for you. We've covered several strategies to generate passive income, but remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Let's do a quick recap. Real estate investment can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation, while stock market investment offers the chance for both dividends and capital gains. Peer-to-peer lending can be an attractive option for those who want to play the banker, and affiliate marketing allows you to earn from promoting other people's products. Each strategy has its own merits and challenges. It's important to explore them further, analyze your own circumstances, and align them with your financial goals. Bear in mind, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require time, effort, and a fair bit of risk tolerance. But with persistence, patience, and continuous learning, you can build a robust stream of passive income. Remember, the key to successful passive income is persistence, patience, and continuous learning. Thank you for watching.